Welcome to Soul Daily Meditation. Today's practice is inspired by ancient Cherokee wisdom, the tale of the two wolves that live within us. Before we begin, set a quiet intention in your heart. I choose to feed what brings me peace. Now gently close your eyes. Place your hands softly on your lower belly. Feel it rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. We'll now use a gentle 4-2-6 breathing pattern. This technique tells your nervous system it's safe to let go. We'll inhale through the nose for 4, hold for 2, and exhale through the mouth for 6. Repeat 3 times. Let's begin. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing slowly and deeply. Let this story stir the wisdom within you. An elder Cherokee sits with his grandson and says, "Inside me and inside you, there is a battle between two wolves. One is darkness, anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, guilt, resentment, lies, ego. And the other one is light, joy, peace, love, hope, humility, kindness, empathy, and truth." The boy thinks quietly and then asks, "Well, which wolf wins?" The old man smiles and replies, "The one you feed." Let this wisdom sink in with your breath. You don't need to fight your shadows. You only need to choose. Choose where you place your energy. Choose what you feed. Now ask yourself, what have I been feeding lately? Which thoughts, which habits have I been nurturing? There is no blame here, only honest noticing. Now, choose differently. Imagine feeding your light wolf a warm meal of self-compassion, a drink of truth, a blanket of deep forgiveness. Let your light grow stronger. Let it rise within you like a quiet fire. Picture the two wolves within you. The one you've chosen, your light wolf, sits loyally by your side. Loving, calm, strong. Feel his quiet presence. Let's return to our breath. Inhale to feed joy, courage, and love. Exhale to release fear, anger, and doubt. Let's begin. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Inhale 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your dark wolf returns, know that it's okay. Now forgive the dark wolf. It only cries out when it's hurt or afraid. You can offer it kindness without letting it lead. Let your light wolf tend to it gently, patiently. You are whole. You are in harmony. You are in control. Continue breathing naturally for the next few moments. Pet the light wolf. Care for the light wolf through our breaths. Feel your belly rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. I'll bring you and the light wolf back when it's time to come. Breathe in peace, breathe out resistance. Let there be joy, harmony, and stillness. When you are ready, Gently open your eyes. Remember, you're empowered to control your emotions. This meditation is brought to you by Soul Daily Meditation. If it resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you again